Hey, what up, gang? Boo Boo 617. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm super excited. I'm super excited. So my bell just rung, and my rims, my wheels, my tires, they're here, baby. Let's go. But on all honest, I'm so excited, not only because I'm ready to throw these on, but I've been having issues with FedEx. So I ordered these a couple weeks ago. They was supposed to come in on the 11th. Today is the 16th, I believe. Yeah, today's the 16th. So I actually got in contact with FedEx yesterday. I've been calling them all week. And finally, I spoke to someone. I said, hey, listen, I need to know what's going on because they were stuck in Missouri. Like, that's the last check-in, and no one knew where they were. So I called FedEx like, hey, listen, I need these rims. If not, I'm going to have to report them lost or stolen. They're like, all right, we're going to check into it. So I just reported it anyways, even though, because I was just tired of talking to people and telling me the same thing, that they're going to find out what's going on. So I ended up reporting them stolen. That same exact day, like maybe 30 minutes after me reporting them stolen, boom, they appeared. And they came in today. So I'm excited. Let's go. So here they are, baby. All wrapped up, ready to go. But first thing is first. Before I take them out of here, I'm going to unwrap them. Make sure that they're not scratched. Make sure that they're not bent. Because if they are, I got to ship them back ASAP. I can't bring them to the shop or anything to put them on because then they won't return them. So let's do that now. All right, we got the first one out. And here it is, baby. OEM direct replacement BMW X5 M 20-inch wheels, staggered. So these bad boys are 315 35 20s. You can see these are all weather tires because I live in Massachusetts and I plan to leave these on all year round. Nice and beefy tires. Oh man, I can't wait till these bad boys go on there. So these are the front ones, same size, 20s. The difference is, see if I go, where's the sticker, where's the sticker, where's the sticker, here's the sticker. All right. Difference is these are 275, 40, 20, different offset. So these are, I believe, 10, and then the offset is 10 and the rears is 11. Now when I put these on, I'm also going to measure to see how far they are from the fenders. If they're too far, then I'm definitely gonna install some spacers on them as well. So these are the same exact height, but the thickness is different. You see, these are the rear, these are more beefy, and then these are the fronts. 275, 315. All right, so I got everything covered. When I put the rims, I'm gonna do the side paneling too so I don't get nothing dirty. These are the rims that we're replacing. These are the OEM M Sport Tech Edition rims. We're gonna get rid of those. Those are 19s. We're gonna put the new 20s. Let's do it, baby. Little manual work never hurt anybody. What in the world? As I'm rolling these out, there's freaking turkeys over there. How turkeys in somebody's porch chilling? Jesus. Just like that, they're packed and ready to go. Let's get out of here. Put these bad boys on. Yeah, guys, so, you know, the main reason that I'm doing this, changing the OEMs for these, is because even though I think they're nice, the M package tech wheels are nice, but those are not the ones that I originally wanted. These are the ones that I originally wanted. These or the other 20s that the M Sports come with, not the 19s that this one came with. So ever since I bought it, I already knew that I was gonna exchange the wheels. Now my thing is, like, for example, like on the Nismo, I got the Nismo, the V1 rims on it because it's a Nismo. It came with those, and those they stay on the car year round. And I love the way that the Nismo V1 wheels are. They're just like my favorite OEM rims of all time. So I want to do the same for the BMW X5 M Sport. I want to put these wheels on these OEMs and just keep them on for the rest of, you know, year round, until I find, if I find aftermarkets that I really like. But no, I really like these. That's why I purchased them. That's why they're going on here now. That's why hopefully everything works out as far as the way that it drives, because my friend said that when you put 20s, that they drive a little bit different than with the 19s. I'm gonna find out right now. They come factory 20s and 21s, so I'll see what's gonna be the big difference, but we'll find out right now. It's about to go in, get the shoe change. It's about to get them fancy shoes. Ooh.
A few moments later.
All right, they put them on. Now this is what she looks like now with the new wheels. Ooh. Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God! So the reason that I actually went to a shop to throw on the wheels instead of just, you know, doing it myself, jacking up the car like I would normally, is because I needed to install the TPMS in the wheels. They came apart from the wheels themselves. So I took it to the shop for them to install it for me, and now I'm just doing a calibration to make sure they're working properly, and that's it. So one thing that I was actually worried about was the quality of the ride itself after putting 20s on it. Even though I know they come with 20s and 21s, but like my friend said, he put his 20s on and they're factory 20s, and he felt a big difference in the drive quality from his factory 19s to his factory 20s. And to be honest, now I got these 20s on, the ride feels the same. What I can tell you is that the pedal is a little bit heavier, the gas pedal, so it takes a little bit more to push the car, and that's obvious because it's bigger wheels, bigger tires, heavier. So granted, I knew that was going to be the case, but other than that, I mean, it's not a big difference either. It's not like night and day, but you can tell a slight difference in the pedal, but it's all right. I'm over here still dealing with these guys. So the only thing left to do is order some spacers. I'm gonna do a little bit of research to see how big I want them, because take a look. So the wheels definitely stick out more than what they were, but I want them to be flush to the flares here. You see that? You see how they still stick in? So I want them to definitely stick out. So it could be like right here, flush. So I don't know if that's gonna be 15 mils, 20 mils. I'm just doing a little bit of research on 20s with 11 offset to see. And then we're gonna go from there. And that is the third mod on the BMW X5. So tell me what you think. Do they look nice? I think they look great. But that said, Boo Boo 617.